Hello and welcome to this quick training video on the Satori Terraform provider. Satori ships with the Terraform provider, and from our documentation, you can click through the bottom link there. Terraform, made by HashiCorp, is a great way to configure resources via configuration as code. There's all kinds of things you can learn about Terraform if you go to the HashiCorp website. Terraform.io is a great place to get started. Satori ships with open source project, which includes a ton of Terraform examples. You can click through right here, GitHub website, and it'll take you to the GitHub project, and in there are several example subfolders. So we have an empty Satori installation. It has one data source, no masking profiles, no security policies, no data sets, no custom taxonomy, and we'd like to do a before and after and see what that looks like. So let's actually run a query. I'll just run it again. I already ran it a moment ago. This is connected to Satori. You can go edit that connection and see that it's a satoricyber.net URL, and there's no masking or redaction occurring on this data. Let's now run the Terraform command. On the command line, we're now going to run Terraform apply. It's going to look at the configuration file and determine that we have 17 Satori components to configure. And there they go, and we're done. We can go back to Satori, and if we just refresh the page, we can see that Satori's created a masking profile and a security policy, two data sets, one of which is inactive. We can go review the one that's active and see that it configured a location, and there's a default access rule. Let's take a look at the default security policy. We haven't turned that on yet, so let's associate that real quick. Click Save. And we even added in custom taxonomy. So if you have data cataloging integration requirements, you can see here the beginnings of your own data catalog via Satori's custom taxonomy. And then finally, let's go back to DataGrip and see what happens if we rerun this query. We should get some redaction this time. Sure enough, before and after, using Satori's Terraform provider, we've been able to instantly configure an entire account of the Satori platform. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Satori Terraform provider.